But life design is first of all, it's applying systems thinking comprehensively, how every system is not only part of a bigger system, but that its function is what it is defined by its role in the bigger system. So everything is systems within systems within systems. And what the implication of that is cause and effect from things outside the sphere that you're looking at will have implications inside your sphere. So everything's cause and effect and repeating feedback loops of cause and effect. And if you're not looking broad enough, you're going to see a lot of effects, but you won't be seeing the causes because the causes are in a system outside of the smaller system you're looking at, and you won't understand why those effects are happening. You're just going to see effects and it's going to seem random and unexplainable. But if you look at the picture holistically enough, broadly enough, you can then find the causes that are driving these effects. And because they're looping patterns, hence feedback loops, they're incredibly powerful because they're relentless. They can drive you down or they can build you up. So life design is looking comprehensively at your life, where you want to be, and how you can build the feedback loops that will build you up, and how you can identify the negative ones so you can break them. And it's just doing it across the key aspects of your life and recognizing you will not have time to do everything. You cannot make everything a priority, so you have to decide what really matters to you. You have to identify your highest values. You have to identify what gives life meaning to you, and you have to narrow it down and really pick what, at the core of it, is worth spending your limited time on. And then designing from that highest level of value and meaning in life, step by step, layer by layer, practical elements to get you there. So connect your highest level aspirations, you align them with your daily and hourly actions with tiers in the middle. So it's very clear and they're all connected. So you've got your value goals, so the goals that touch your values. Then you have practical outcome goals, which are goals that are measurable and trackable, but they are designed to fulfill your value goals. And then you have projects that deliver those, and you have habits and routines that advance your outcome goals. And then you break your projects down into daily and then hourly tasks that you're actually going to do, and you can map it out day by day. So your day by day activities, really your hour by hour activities, are connected directly and explicitly to your highest level values and your highest aspirations in life. And there's just total clarity that if it doesn't serve one of your highest values in life, then it's not worth taking on as a new project or a new initiative. We take on so many things without thinking about, is this really what I want to spend my limited time on? And we're so reactive to everything. So it makes it deliberate, intentional, and clearly aligned with our highest aspirations. That's life design.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that clip. And if you did, you can click over here to watch the full unedited version of that episode. I'd also love if you'd consider subscribing to watch more content like this, and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Bye guys.